Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ralph with Pondscapes out in Queen Creek, Arizona, and this one is for the birds. All right, guys, this is a small pondless waterfall right here up against this wall. And why is it for the birds? We got some cool chickens right over here. And of course, the chickens are camera shy. As soon as I started recording, they decided to go away, but they're hanging out in their coop right there. And what we've got is a cool patio cover. We've got this great shade, but it is currently in the way because we're going to use our excavator to help us out. This is going to be an easy dig. We could definitely do this by hand, but
why do that?
Why do it? It's only
great access.
It's only 115 degrees, so you know, when we can bring this into a yard, we've got this great access. Hey, let's use it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have our aqua basin in here. We're gonna do a moisture barrier up against this wall. This wall is grouted, and so it's nice and structurally sound. But on the other side of this wall is a roadway, and you can definitely hear the traffic. So this is going to do a few things. Add just a beautiful aesthetic to this back patio, but also help drown out some of that traffic noise and soothe our chickens for some better eggs. Okay, I would say so far so good, but it is a hot one. But on the bright side, we've got our vault in place and we have our pump hooked up. So this is our variable speed. And then we also have that low suction port. That means we can draw water from a lower level. And then we've got our bulkhead fitting for our float valve set up. So right now, Tevin is trenching out the line to bring our half-inch PVC line over, and that'll sneak right in here, connect there, and coming out of the backside of this, that 2-inch street 90 will run up to our waterfall. Okay, we've got our half-inch PVC line all trenched in, and it's glued up. So now we can cover this, and it's about that time we're gonna take our lunch break and really let the heat set in to those rocks. So they're super hot when we start handling them.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
It sounds great. I can't wait to come back and start sizzling my hands.
So this is where we're gonna call it a day. It is just a blazing hot out here. And when I go to start foaming, it's gonna be quite the chore. So I wanna do that in the morning when it's cooler. I've got more shade over here, but we should be in good shape to have this guy up and running tomorrow. All right, working on our outside cropping. So these are the first ones that we set prior to getting started with this portion. One of the hurdles that we had was this electrical box. And what we had to do was make sure that Leonard had access to that panel. So by putting that guy that way and popping this out that way, that helps camouflage this area. He is going to do a shrub like in this space to kind of soften that up. And obviously we're going to cut this stuff, but we really want to do as much as we can to camouflage and take electrical outlets out of the visual. Colin, you ready for the test run?
I hate to tell you this, but it's already been ran.
Right on, fantastic. This is looking great. So everything is really working the way we were wanting. Just got to finish detailing out the top, trim some of this moisture barrier out. We got to mount that transformer. Right now, Colin is working on our lights. We've got a path light there and one there, and we're gonna just run that wire right up and over, and then mount our, got a little aquascape 60-watt transformer that'll mount right over there. Clean up, and Colin, we can get out of this heat. All right, and just like that, our fine feathered friends over here have got a beautiful new Pondless Waterfall. As I mentioned before, we're sitting on top of an aqua basin 45. That's 45 inches by 45 inches, about 16 inches deep, holds about 95 gallons of water. We are running this with an Aqua Surge 2000 to 4000 variable speed pump, and that receiver is right over there. Now, with our homeowners Wi-Fi being so strong, they can hook up their phone to that, turn it on and off with their phone, increase and decrease that water flow as desired. And then we've got a couple path lights, and we've got that aquascape transformer, 60-watt transformer right there. Dusk is on settings, 4, 6, and 8 hour increments. So with all of that being said, this is just a fantastic addition to this patio space, and I think we have some fans over here. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around and watching this one. Let me know what your thoughts are, and like always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on that next video.